First time of all, I'm deeply amazed by Florida because as an environmental engineer and scientist, I see a beautiful harmony here. And for me, when human intellect and nature, this is in FSU and Florida, when human intellect and nature coexist perfectly. It's a unique ecosystem in Florida and Tallahassee. How FSU built a world-class academic campus right inside this natural paradise. And it shows me that progress and nature can live together. It's opportunity to meeting face to face. It's very important because you see your partner, your scientist colleagues, and you have eyes contact. In our face-to-face meeting, we better understand each other. It's one of them is academic, and we had very powerful and incredible meetings with our FSU colleagues and scientists. For me, it's definitely a two-way bridge. It's not only for US to Ukraine, it's also to Ukraine to US. And this program is how to refresh you, reinstall, rebuild, not rebuild our country, it's also rebuild scientists, and because this is very important for us to be resilient and to be more progressive and think about our country, about our reconstruction and other aspects. It's very working at the Bank Lab was an incredible honor, and together with my colleague Dmitro, we focused on ensuring drinking water safety, and it's very important for our cities and for our Ukraine post-war reconstruction and our resilience situation. We think about a COIL course with our partners in Engineer College and Department of Chemistry and Biomedicine, and I think in future we work closely around and about this COIL course, one of them of example of our future cooperation. And we saw about how to create this Ukraine task force in the US, in FSU, and I am so excited that this is Ukraine task force developed